Hi guys, just me playing around with Python-pywal and Cava. So I had this idea, what if I can actually combine Python-pywal with Cava? So this is not the address. If you wanna go for it, no, it's gone. Why did it remove my history? That's too bad. No, it's not too bad. Here it is. Pywal, Cava. This one is what I've been playing with. So Pywal scripts, Pywal Cava is the thing I downloaded. I read a little bit, not enough, and then installed it. And we've got now this line, wal Cava -c configuration is there. I run this, then I say, okay, let's do Cava, Control T, Cava, then music, right? Control Alt F, YouTube. Let's do something else this time. Music. Mess it up. The Rolling Stones. Again, no. Some advertisement. Doesn't matter. AltShiftN is gonna change things around for me. The thing is, what it will do is, as you see, it's not a gradient. It's the color wall. You know where everything is, right? In the cache, it's gonna grab one of the colors in here and say, okay, predominant, that's white-ish. So let's shut down the music. If I can, where is it? Like this. Where can I set the sound? Sound. Here you are. So it's playing on the other side, and then with sound off, it's finished. I kill it. So I have a little bit of sound, a little bit, well, very low. And AltShiftN, and you see that actually it works. So if you're into it, have a look at it. If that's something, again blue, something bright. Come on, guys. Again dark. I like dark. Wonderful. This is clear, right? This is new color. Not purple. Ciao. That's strange. So it is what it is. It's free software. It's been created 3 years ago, so might be things in there. And it's also created for i3. So the last lines we won't need. But there it is. Have a go at it. Cheers. Where is my OBS Studio? Yes, kill. So many windows open. Cheers.